assertEquals versus assertEqual in Python. Is there a difference between assertEquals and assertEqual in the Python unittest.test case? And if there is not, why are there two functions? Only for convenience?
Actually, in Python 2.6, both assertEqual and assertEquals are convenience aliases to failing the sequel. The source declares them thus. In Python 3, to your point, failing the sequel is explicitly deprecated. assertEquals carries this comment smile. So, the upshot appears to be that you should use whatever you like for Python 2.x, but tend toward assertEqual for Python 3.
A 3.3 update from 26.3.7.1.1. Deprecated aliases. For historical reasons, some of the test case methods had one or more aliases that are now deprecated. The following table lists the correct names along with their deprecated aliases.
Not just for Python 3.x, since Python 2.7 assertEquals has been deprecated as well. From 25.3.7.1.1. Deprecated aliases.
I think this was tension between the only one obvious way to do it versus alias to make the overall code flow semantically. Personally, I found I like to read over, but liked over the other two. assertEquals A, B, bothers my sense of grammar. The only one obvious way to do it has taken precedence going forward.